Hey, Monterey. So, the hat goes with the story. Today we are reading Goodnight Drilling Rig by Kyle Wagner. Let's see what this book is about. All right. As it starts to get dark and the sun goes down, it's time to say goodnight to our restless oil town. Looks familiar. Good night, drilling rig with your derrick so tall. Good night, wildcatter, waiting for a phone call. Good night, surveyors putting stakes in the ground. Good night, vibrator truck making maps from shakes and pounds. Good night, blender. Good night, hands. Good night, pumps. Good night, frac fan. Good night, pipeliners finishing your last weld and grind. Good night, landman. All of the leases have been signed. Good night, pump jack. Keep on pumping. Good night, separators. Keep on dumping. Good night, wireline truck. Is there good news to tell? Good night, pumper. Checking your final well, sorry. Good night, meters. Good night, SCADA. Good night, servers. Good night, data. Good night, winch truck, ready to hit the road. Good night, tanker truck, filling up your last load. Good night, refinery and everyone on the late shift. Good night, backhoe. Good night, forklift. Good night, oil patch. It's time to hit the sack. There's fun work to do in the morning. Don't worry, we're coming back. And that is the end. Good Night Drilling Rig by Kyle Wagner.